My name is Devesh and I'm 40 years old. Wait, not 40. 38 to be precise. I'm not considering the last 2 years because of the lockdowns and the pandemic. I could not do anything. Ladies and gentlemen, everybody wants to deliver an engaging speech. But if you have the ability to make people laugh, even a presentation on a very complex subject becomes an enjoyable one because everybody loves humor. And it also helps us put across our messages in a very profound way. Now, when I'm saying this, I'm not an expert in delivering a humorous speech. Neither am I a stand-up comedian. However, while I'm still learning the process, I'm still a part of the process, I can also share my learning with you all. Now, through this video today, I'm going to be sharing with you all 3 strategies how to add humor in our presentation and make these exciting for our audience. There's an old saying which says, victory loves preparation. Preparation is the key, ladies and gentlemen. Even famous stand-up comedians like Russell Peter, Veer Das, even Kapil Sharma, they spend a lot of time in preparation. So let's understand how to prepare our presentation. Now, one thing I want to say to you all before I move on from here is that if you're really serious about learning this art, you got to be committed. Now, here's the key. We encounter a lot of humor in our everyday life, but our only reaction to this humor is that we laugh it out and we forget about it. Now, what I'm asking you to do is that you can maintain a folder in your mobile phone or in your laptop, and the simplest that you can do is you can maintain a diary. Every time you encounter a joke, keep noting these humor in your diary. Every day we must be getting 10 forwarded jokes in our WhatsApp. Now, while I understand 9 out of these 10 jokes must be useless, but if you're in a lookout, you'll always find good humor in these 10% of the jokes. And if you found one, keep forwarding that, keep storing that in the database which you've maintained for yourself. You'll get to see in a week's time, you'll have collection of jokes. In a month's time, this collection will be even bigger, right? I'll be telling you how can you make use of this collection of the jokes in the last point. But for now, let's move towards the next point. Always joke on yourself, especially if you have an audience which is unknown to you. Never make a mistake of cracking a joke on them because it might backfire you. And that is why cracking a joke on self is the safest option to go for. Now, let me also share with you some of the punchlines which you can use while cracking a joke on yourself. He's the most hopeless fellow I have seen on this planet after me. While others take a week's time, I'll take a month's time. I have been so stupid that I was expecting a response from an interview after I've been told, I'll get back to you. Remember point number 1. Now let's say you've got 2 jokes which has got good humor from the folder which you've maintained for yourself. Now guys, always choose a joke which is easy to relate and which you can use with any audience. Now the 2 jokes are, people don't like change. The only person that likes change is a baby when the diaper is changed. Number 2, petrol has become so expensive, I don't want to use it in my car, I want to use it as an aftershave. Now guys, if you see, these jokes are very easy to relate in current times and you can use this with any audience. Now let's imagine we are going to talk about a very technical topic called Tableau. Now Tableau is a tool which is used to analyze large complex data. I have specifically chosen this topic on Tableau because the topic which we have and the jokes we have are poles apart. Now what we need to do is that we need to look out for an entrance we can use these jokes in our speech. Let me demonstrate how can I use these 2 jokes in my presentation. So here I'm beginning my presentation. Good evening everyone. Today we're going to talk about a tool called Tableau which is used for data analysis. Now I understand a lot of people do not have a technical background in this presentation, and that is why I can see a bit of anxiety on your faces, but that's very natural, and that is how we react to whenever we encounter a new thing, whenever we encounter a change in schedule, because understanding this Tableau is a change for us, and human beings don't like change. I think the only person that likes change is a baby when the diaper is changed. Once you start learning and using Tableau, you will start feeling more comfortable. So instead of reacting, the key is to accept it. How we have accepted so many things in our lives indirectly. For example, petrol price. I don't want to use it in my car anymore. I think I should be using it as an aftershave. So if you notice, I have used a format to use these punches in my presentation. And the format was my statement, which is a line which I've said, followed by I think and the joke. Let me repeat it again. My statement, which is a 1-line statement I have said, followed by I think and then the joke. So how I used was, my statement is, petrol price has become so expensive, I don't want to use it in my car. I think I should use it as an aftershave. Let me give you the last example. Imagine you're delivering a speech in a college for young students. Let's see how to use this format. So the statement is, you must spend 30 minutes every day to study what has been taught. I think half of the college life is spent between breakups and the patch-ups. So ladies and gentlemen, you can apply these 3 strategies in your speech and you can make your speech a humorous speech, because this speech would always stand out from the rest. Secondly, if you like this video, don't forget to share this with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe my channel so that you have an access to my latest videos, and I'm eagerly waiting for your inputs in the comment section. This is Devesh Devangan signing off for now.